So back in August 2019, Shan and I, aka the Looney Bongs, went to Australia for a holiday. As we always capture our memories in camera, here we are sharing some amazing experiences with you. If you have missed watching our previous videos, here's a quick recap. Our journey began in Sydney, where we explored the city and saw some world-famous landmarks. Then we were off to Melbourne, where we roamed around the city by foot and came across some very old heritage buildings the city still offers. Next day, we took a road trip to the Great Ocean Road, where our dream road trip took a wonderful shape and became reality. After all of that, we were headed to Adelaide to meet our dear friends Dev and Richa. This episode is about our reunion and the city itself. Adelaide is the capital city of South Australia. You may or may not know Adelaide for its food and wine, music and culture, but you definitely know Sia for her Billboard #1 hit, Cheap Thrills. So yeah, Sia, the Australian singer, is from Adelaide. Now that the tone is set with some cool fact, let's dig into some hidden treasures the city keeps. We got our hands on some of the oldest newspapers in a little museum in Adelaide Arcade, like the ones from 1930s and stuff. The newspaper clippings, especially discovering the way advertisements were done in those times, were quite interesting. I don't know how we landed up there, but we were really happy to have found such a place. Information Center 13. Further than busking and street performances are very common here, just like in Europe.
तो हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
पता नहीं यार.
You have typed the destination.
Well, I have typed it and I have forgotten.
She typed जहाँ रास्ता ले जाए.
Wineries in the region. This is the most prestigious red grape. It makes a lovely medium-bodied red wine. So you get your dark fruits in here, your blueberries, your blue-black cherries. And now we're up to our rosé. So it's made in that light sort of French style, quite savory. It's a very light color. White mixture.
Wonderful.
So you think you're gonna have one glass,
Okay.
you just end up finishing the bottle.
Wow, that's interesting.
It's very easy drinking. So it's quite similar to, let's say, a Sauvignon Blanc. So this is our third style of Gruner Veltliner. This is our reserve. Rich, fuller on your palate, quite similar to, let's say, a Chardonnay.
तुम water पियो.
Water juice. This is Ellie. She's 15 now.
that marks our end to our beautiful Australia series. We really had a good time, no?
Yes, we did, and that's what we wanted to show you, the good vibes.
We have other videos on Australia. Please go and check them out, and if you love them, please do subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribe to our channel and look out for other amazing content there. See you next time with another story. Till then, be happy and stay safe.
Bye-bye.
এই বুড়ি ওকে নিচ্ছি না বুড়িকে ভেতরে ঢুকাতে বলছি
एलेक्सा शहर की लड़की बाय अभिजीत
I couldn't find any movies.
ना मजा ना मुझे की एलेक्सा पॉज वीडियो बना शुरू कर আমি তো স্টাইল আমার সব সময় ছিল চিরকাল